Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an exciting project known as LangChain. If you are interested in building powerful applications with large language model, then you are in the right place. We will also explore a specific tutorial on Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG, that showcases how to create Q&A applications. So let's get started. LangChain is an open source framework designed to simplify the development of applications powered by language models. With over 99,000 stars on GitHub, it's clear that developers are excited about its potential. The framework provides various tools and integrations that allows you to build complex applications without starting from scratch. Some key features of the LangChain include module components. You can easily mix and match components like chat models, embedding models, and vector stores. Flexibility. It supports multiple integrations with popular models like OpenAI, Anthropic, and more. Extensibility. You can build custom chains and agents tailored to your specific needs. Now, let's talk about retrieval augmented generation. Or RAG. This technique enhances the capabilities of language models by allowing them to retrieve relevant information from a dataset before generating responses, as a particularly useful for creating sophisticated Q&A systems. So the RAG tutorial on LangChain walks you through building a simple Q&A application using instructor data. This tutorial is divided into two parts. The part 1 introduces RAG and guides you through a minimal implementations, and part 2 expands on this by adding conversation-style interactions. So let's take a quick look on how we can build these applications. The process involves two main components, indexing and retrieval generation. Indexing. This is where we load our data, split it into the manageable chunks, and store it in a vector store for easy retrieval. Retrieval or generation, when a user inputs a question relevant to data, is retrieved from index, which is then used by the models to generate an answer. So here's a simplified version of the code from the tutorial. First, we load our data using a web-based loader and split it into the chunks. Then we add these chunks into a vector store. Finally, we define our retrieval and generation functions using a state graph for orchestration. This allows us to ask questions about the specific content efficiently. So in conclusion, LangChain offers an impressive suite of tools for developers looking to leverage language models in their applications. The RAG tutorial provides a fantastic starting point for building intelligent Q&A systems that can handle instructor data effectively. So if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. Any comments, leave it down below. And if you can subscribe to my channel, it would be much appreciated. Thank you very much for watching.